Well, we're still in Washington. There is more news today about that prescription drug to fight baldness we told you about last night. A panel at the Food and Drug Administration has recommended the drug Propecia to promote hair growth. But the panel does have doubts that it can actually stop you losing your hair. And men over 40, listen carefully. Here's ABC's John Martin.
It probably won't help the celebrated.
Report.
Or the anonymous if their hair stopped growing or fell out long ago.
If patients are as bald as I am, it's not going to help.
But for men 41 or younger, here's what the Merck company says its drug will do. A small daily dose of Propecia, as it's called, blocks the body from producing a hormone that causes hair loss when it is changed by an enzyme.
It's the hair follicle shrinkage as a result of this enzyme action that causes baldness.
But today, with lots of interested parties looking on, the company failed to convince the FDA's advisory committee that Propecia stops hair loss. A company official did convince the committee that the drug grows hair.
This patient was rated as moderately improved at the end of the first year and progresses to great improvement at the end of the second year.
Despite this promise, some doctors argue against approval, citing impotence and decreased sex drive reported by a small percentage of the study group.
I think we should be very cautious about using it in young people, and we want to be sure that it's safe long term.
But for some of the men in the study, benefits outweigh possible risks.
It's what we call peach fuzz, and where there's small hairs, there's hope.
Hope for those of America's 40 million bald men who consider it a burden. John Martin, ABC News, Washington.
The money we use, the cash that is.